Reading comprehension passages of MBA exams like CAT, XAT carry significant weightage and can either make or break your overall performance. On top of that, it enhances your chances in group discussion, personal interview, and written ability test. In this video, find out tips on mastering reading comprehension for MBA and other exams. Reading is mandatory to crack reading comprehension section of any exam. Put 1.5 to 2 hours of reading per day. This will improve your vocabulary and grammar. Note down unfamiliar words, phrases, and idioms that you come across and check their meaning and origin. This will help you in building your vocabulary. As the exam will have passages that most probably you haven't read before, the best option is to read on a variety of topics. Do not do speed reading in the exam. Take your time and read the entire passage, paying attention to every detail. If you do this, you will be able to answer all the questions in one go. However, you cannot take too much time in reading on the exam day. So the best way out is develop a habit of fast reading without missing out on important points. Don't read the questions before the passage. CAT reading comprehension passages are inference-based, so this strategy is not going to work here. XAT has boring and dense passages from psychology, philosophy, art, and research paper, and sometimes even poems. Thus, the wise thing to do is read the passage first and then the questions. No running away. In CAT, reading comprehension dominates the VARP section, so there is no running away from it. The option to solve VA questions and leave out RC is not an option in CAT exam. In fact, it is advisable to not skip RC passages even in other MBA entrance exams, as it can hamper your entire score. Practice adequate number of RC comprehension passages of different variety and time yourself. You should aim for more accuracy in lesser time. Check out reading comprehension passages with questions and answers of all MBA entrance exams. This will give you an idea of what type of questions are asked in this section and will also help you prepare for other exams simultaneously.